So, good evening means こんにちは。こんにちは。More politely, こんにちは。The same. It's tricky. おはよう means good morning. If you want to say more polite, おはようございます。Good evening. こんにちは。If you want to say more